It's time for a detox. Don't run away from it. You know what you did these last couple of months. And I'm not talking about a detox of your gut. Oh, we talking about a good old hair detox. It's spring and it's out with the old and in with the new growth. I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you and act like I've been doing hair detoxes all my life. To tell you the truth, I just learned about detoxing the hair when I started my long hair journey. I didn't know about none of that. I didn't know that you needed to do a detox and what was the benefits of doing a detox when you have natural hair. I transitioned from a relaxer. So while I had my hair relaxed, the most I would do would be deep treatments with deep conditioners or protein treatments or hot oil treatments that I found at the beauty supply store. I didn't know anything about detoxing the hair and why I needed to do it at all. Fast forward to today, and oh baby, I need my detox mask at least 4 times a year. With every season, I recommend doing a hair detox mask because you are going to see a big difference in your hair strength, especially in your hair's thickness and its length. So definitely, if you haven't had a good detox mask in a while, this is your sign to go ahead and grab you one, preferably mine, because it has so many beneficial clays. But back up, what's a clay? What is this clay mask thing I'm talking about? Well, I use natural clays from the earth, basically sediment made from rocks and stones and volcanic debris, and that is grinded up, and then I use water to mix it together. And then I put it on my hair, my family's hair, my client's hair. And in fact, I'm doing it right now on my sister's hair. I use a special formulated blend of 5 different clays because I feel the more the merrier. There are so many different clays out there, and we get so many different vitamins and minerals from these clays. I'm talking about magnesium, calcium, and all different essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that your hair can benefit from. Not only that, it's going to soften and condition your hair and really make those curls pop. And if you have a lot of frizz that you're sick of, go ahead and increase your detox treatments, and it will reduce the amount of frizz you have by helping to build a more defined curl pattern. My favorite part of a detox clay mask is the fact that it's literally detoxing your hair. Deep within the hair strand, it's helping to remove impurities, chemicals, free radicals, toxins that may be trapped within your hair strand. Oh, it's going to get it out. It's the same concept if you happen to take some type of detox laxative treatment, and it will help get rid of all that toxic waste that can be trapped within your small intestines and your colon. Yeah, this is going to do the same thing. It's pretty much going to remove all that buildup, that gunk, and anything that's really stopping or clogging up your scalp pores or clogging up your hair's cuticles. Basically, what I'm saying is that your hair is full of shit and it's time to get all of that out. Okay. And I'm not just talking about excessive amount of buildup, because as a natural, we know that we use a lot of product, and sometimes those products can clog our hair's cuticles and our hair won't be able to take in moisture. So that's why it's so important to do a detox so you can clear out those cuticles so your hair can begin to take in water. If you feel like you put water on your hair and it instantly dries out right after, chances are that your cuticles are clogged, your scalp pores are clogged, and it's time to do a detox and remove anything that's blocking or creating a blockage on your hair strands. Once you get them off, your hair will react better to the product that you are using on it, because your hair is now able to take it all in, get nutrients, especially if you're using natural products. Not only that, some of y'all need to detox some toxic relationships out of your cuticles. You know, them soul ties. Yeah, you got to get it out your hair strands and get him off your mind. We go through so many different protective styles, and after or before you do a protective style, I highly recommend doing a hot oil treatment or a detox clay mask, because you need to go ahead and not only remove anything that's built up and blocking your hair strands, but you also need to deposit minerals, vitamins, and amino acids to give your hair strength so it can grow while it's in this protective style, because it's all about the length. And let's not forget that a detox clay treatment will change your hair texture for the better. In fact, my sister wanted to say a few words about her favorite product.
Clay.
It changed your texture.
And this is my best friend.
Yeah. Like I said, just a few words. But basically, she loves doing the clay because it has softened her hair over the years. One thing about my sister, she is not one of them natural girlies that likes to wear her natural hair out and about. She loves her weave. She loves her protective styles because it's just easier for her. So she just wants to make sure that her hair underneath her weaves is long, it's growing, it's safe for her and her immune system and her health overall. She definitely wants to make sure that it promotes hair growth on her hair. So she sticks to this natural long hair growth regimen. She makes sure she uses her natural products. She uses water on her hair often. She makes sure she sticks to those detox treatments and those hot oil treatments. She stays away from the comb. Well, I stay away from it because you know I'm her hairstylist for the free. So I make sure I use finger detangling techniques on her hair because she wants to keep most of her hair on her head. The reason why we make sure we stick to these treatments is because she does do a lot of different styles, and we have to make sure her hair is strong enough to handle high heat, to handle hair extensions that can be thick or heavy. It has to be able to just be strong enough to bounce back from whatever I do or experiment on her hair. And she loves her hair. She loves it dearly. She came a long way. She started from 1 inch and now she got inches, honey. And not only that, because she understands how to grow and take care of hair, she can pass these traditions down to her daughters, even though I do her daughter's hair too. But still, she has an idea of how to grow hair. She understands what herbs and what oils and what butters agree with her hair, and she sticks to it. So I hope I convince you to go ahead and head to Cocaknotz.com and grab you a detox clay treatment so you can go ahead and detox your hair strands and start fresh. It's spring and we need to go ahead and get some growth. We want to see inches by the end of the year. We want to see stronger hair. We want to see thicker hair, and we want softer hair. So now I am headed out to eat. In fact, we are celebrating my sister's birthday. Yeah, the one I just did her hair for. Yes, we are going to our favorite restaurant, Eddie V's, in downtown Fort Lauderdale. Even though we always go here, if you know any Aries out there, you know they're pretty bossy. So this is what she wanted. She wanted a private room at her favorite restaurant, and we had to go. But the food is always good. But happy birthday, Misha. Thank you so much for being my guinea pig throughout the years and letting me try hairstyles on you. Thank you for agreeing to start the long hair journey. Thank you for letting me grow your children's hair. It was truly an honor of mine to play a part in the growth of your children's hair. That way they'll be able to pass something to their children, which will be your grandchildren. And it just makes me feel good that I was able to contribute to you guys' lives in so many different ways, but especially with the crowns of your head. Thank you so much for trusting your crown and glory in my hands. This brings me to a point that I have to make. If you are considering starting the long hair journey, or you're on the long hair journey and you're in the middle of a rock and a hard place, and that hard place being your hard, dry ass hair, I want to encourage you to keep going. It gets easier. I know it's difficult. It's not easy being on the natural long hair journey. Trust me, I know. But you are going to be so proud of yourself when you look up and see how much your hair has grown, how healthy your hair is, how much thicker it is, how much softer it is, the fact that you're getting better at maintaining your natural hair. Not only that, you never know who's watching, and you can be encouraging someone out there to take the long hair journey as well. In fact, comment below and tell me who encouraged you to take the long hair journey. Make sure you're subscribed, and always remember, hair is your destiny and big hair is your birthright. Cocaknotz.